In this video, we're going to go ahead and try and create a new title block from scratch so you can use it later on in any drawing for the rest of the year. So to do this, we are going to click the File button up here and select New Drawing Template. And we're going to do it from scratch here. Okay. And we can leave all of these the same, ASME and inches and size B. In fact, I am getting all of this from right here. So we're going to make sure it looks just like this. All right, and click OK. And it's going to open this default template that it's created for us. But it should also put a placeholder view of some kind of part here. So instead of doing that, we're going to just click Cancel because we're going to edit this template. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go over here to the sheet settings, and we are going to right click and say Edit Title Block. I'm going to give the title block a new name, and we're going to call this IED underscore 11 by 17 and hit OK. Now it automatically gives us, it goes down here to where all our things are. Now we can leave everything here, but what I want to do is I want to add an Ileana logo and maybe add Ileana Christian High School on this logo. So to do that, I'm going to jump back to our activity, and I have the Ileana logo here. So I'm going to click it once to download it, and then I'm going to go back to here and insert that image. Click Image, and we'll click From My Computer, and in my downloads, because it just went to my downloads, it should be right away when I just downloaded. So we'll click Open, and then I will go ahead and I think it's a little bit big, so I can scale it down just a little bit, but I'm just going to go ahead and click somewhere in this box. All right, and hit OK. And then we can just click the image and select the outside corner here. Oops, try to click this outside corner so I can make it smaller, just so it fits inside here. And we'll just throw it inside here somewhere right over to the right hand side. Perfect. Now I'm going to zoom in, and I'm going to add some text. So I'm going to click the text tool, and I'm going to add a text box here, something like this text box, and I'm going to type in Ileana, hit enter a couple times, Christian, a couple more times, oops, High School, and hit close for that. Now I can change the font if I want to, and you could personalize this yourself. I'll just leave it kind of like it is. I actually might want to center it like so, and then hit close, and what I can do then is I can just grab that text and move it right to the middle. And now I can click Finish Title Block. So now here's going to be my new title block, and it's called IED 11 by 17, but I still have to save it. So let's save it somewhere. So I'll hit File, Save, and I'm just going to save it in my IED practice folder. It doesn't matter where you save it, you just got to know where it is when you go get it later on. So for instance, let's go ahead and save it, and we'll give it the same name, IED 11 by 17, and click Save. So let me show you what I'm talking about here, getting this title block. I'm going to go ahead and open a different part. And I'm going to open a part from a totally different location, let's say from the Trammel toy. And I'm going to open a part here, let's say this little Trammel toy nut. And if I wanted to go ahead and start a new drawing from this design, it would ask me what kind of drawing would I want. I'm sorry, what kind of template would I want. And it should show up now as IED 11 by 17 should show up. And if it doesn't, I can always go find it. I can go to Browse and go inside my IED practice folder to find that template. Let's see what it looks like. IED 11 by 17, and click OK. And sure enough, there is my same title block that I had. So when I place a view in here, it automatically puts the name of the project, the name of the part, right, and your name right here on the bottom, and the date. So there you go. There's how you create a title block. Now you don't have to create one again. It's already in there. We could go back to edit the same one or remake it. That's a nice way to do it. So personalize it as you see fit.